Welcome to Two Boys RC, baby. We're back at it with the Losi 3Xl-E. What happened was our spur gear went out, so we ordered a new one. The new part number is LOS 242020. So my other one, the teeth got ate up, so we're gonna be replacing it. Also, this is the housing for the spur, the diff, and the pinion slides through right here. This has bearings in it, so we will be replacing these. There's one over there, and there'll be one inside, so we'll be putting those in. There's bearings on the outside of the diff, and I'm quite sure this diff is pretty good. I didn't have any problems at it, so we're not going to do anything with this. There you go. That's your spur gear, and this would go in here, and the bearing would sit in the back of that. And I could tell some dirt in there, so we're taking that out. Alright guys, so we got these bearings here. I went ahead and popped the lid off of them. Part number 0826196888-2RS. And they're 8 by 16 by 5 millimeter rubber bearings. So we're gonna pour the oil in here. Pop the lid back on. We'll pop that in there. In. Thing I like about this also is it's lined up. It's lined up, so you don't have to worry about lining this thing up. It's already lined up for you. You need to put the bearing in over here, like so. Housing up like so. Butter. Got that from my brother Rajay 111, yo. So you have a 2.5 and a 1.5. Both of your dog bones. There you go. Alright guys, welcome back to True Boys RC. So yesterday we finished up the spur gear on the Losi 3Xl-E. Now today we're going to test it out. We're just going to kick up some rock and do a little test run down the road. I ain't going to do a long video because y'all just watched the installation video. So let's get it in right quick. Yeah, she working, man. Into the dust. Huh? Yeah. Hey. She's working. She's definitely working, guys. So beast mode. Let's go, Losi. Oh yeah, she's definitely working again, guys. She's definitely working again. Let's go, Losi. Love the way she sway when she going in turns, man. She just sways so heavily. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Yes, sir. She is nice. Huh? Every time you give her gas, she'll pull up in there. But that wheelie bar is nice how they got it on here, man. It saves it from flipping over every time. You see how fast it's going, the tires ballooning. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Should I put some B-boots on it? I think the B-boots will be tight on here, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Whoa. Yeah. Beast mode, baby. We say the Losi is back, baby. We can honestly say that, man. Losi is back. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Losi, man. Do y'all own any? If you do, what kind of problems did you have with yours? Uh-oh. I believe that we just knocked the pinion off. Alright guys, make sure y'all stay tuned. True Boys RC, we're gonna see y'all on the next one. We're gonna get in here, fix that, and get back out here, baby, because that's what we do. Peace.
Show after show, yeah, we do.